Surna Baluk, Surno or elephant foot yam, is known for its medicinal benefits and nutritional profile. GSB cuisine makes ample use of it, and we have several delicious recipes in our KKAJ blog. Here is another one as side dish. And since it is tawa fried, it makes for a healthy snack too. So let's see the recipe right away. Here is a fresh surna that will cook well. Cutting it and taking 1/2 of it. Now to peel the skin. Wash well and cut a block of it. Make neat pieces of about this thickness. Now to steam the pieces. Place them in a steamer and steam for about 15 minutes or pressure cook for 1 whistle. While it is cooking for marination, take salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, add more according to your spice level, a pinch of hing, mix well and keep aside. Now the pieces have cooked well and yet are firm. Take each piece and dip well in the powder. See that the pieces are well covered. Leave aside for about half an hour to marinate. Now you can see they are well marinated.
सर्वांके केकेचे चॅनलांतून स्वागत. आता मी शेअर व्हिडिओज चड केल्या नसर इंग्लिशांतूय आमगेले कोंकणी भाशेंतूय तिकसाणीचे मिठसाणीचे कुडसाणीचे रंदई अडगई हे सगळं व्हिडिओज तुम्ही एक व्यू करका आणि सर्वांके पामचे मोठे शेअर करका. व्हिडिओज लाईक कराय, शेअर कराय आणि सबस्क्राईब कराय.
Heat a tawa. Drizzle a little oil and place the pieces to roast. Cook on low flame. Flip over after some time. When they have turned crisp or well cooked according to your preference, remove to a plate. Before serving, drizzle a little coconut oil and enjoy with a hot cup of tea or as a side dish with rice.